Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today I'm going to show you how to turn these whelks into a delicious dish. The base is made up of mashed potatoes and bread. Let us first start off by building the base. Peel and wash 1 pound of Yukon Gold potatoes. You can also use russet potatoes, but Yukon potato flesh are brighter in color. Boil them on medium heat for 30 minutes. They are done when you can easily pierce it through with a sharp object. Drain off the water. Set the pot on low heat. Mash the potatoes. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter cubes into the potatoes. Add 2 ounces of shredded carrots, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, half cup of milk, two tablespoons of marinade. Mix well and set it aside. For the breads, cut the crust off. Then divide the bread into 4 equal portions. We are now preparing a batter to coat on the whelks. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. Add in 3 tablespoons of minced shallots and garlic each. Saute until soft and fragrant. 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix well. 6 tablespoons of water. Stir continuously and cook over medium heat until the batter thickens and smooth. Remove from heat and let it cool. I have 2 pounds of frozen cooked whelks. Defrost them overnight in the refrigerator or in cold water. Live whelks have to first boil over medium heat for 15 minutes and then cool them in the cold water. Stick a fork in the head. Turn the shell in a circular motion to pull the body all the way out. Throw away the lower part of the inedible organs. Peel off the operculum. Wash and brush off any gooey stuff. When the shallot garlic batter is cold, mix together with some finely chopped cilantro. Coat the whelks evenly with the batter. Spread some mashed potato on the bread. Sit a whelk on top. Add extra batter on empty spots. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. This is a great finger food that could be prepared ahead of time for any party. The buttery saltiness of the batter pairs well with the whelks. The toasted bread adds a layer of crunchiness. Wow, it tastes so good. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.